Hi there, it's just Shane here from MrSwing. In this video, I just want to talk a little bit about what MasterSwings is and what you're going to have with it when you sign up for your free trial. So MasterSwings is basically a trade recommendation service where we're going to be sending you a video every night or every morning before the market opens. In these videos, you're going to have precise entries, stop losses, and profit targets of all of the different recommended trades. These recommended trades will have holding periods from anywhere between a day to 3 weeks. And each of the different individual trades, you'll also know how long you should be holding each one to maximize the edge of it. Now, besides the actual individual trades themselves, the other information we're going to be sharing in these videos will be broad market analysis information that we've uncovered. So basically this will give you like a big picture sort of context to base the individual trades themselves off of. So this will really strengthen your conviction in the individual trades. So if I was to give an example of this, if we're, for instance, recommending long trades to you, or trades that we believe have a high probability of going up, if you also have information in your hands that's showing there's a high probability of the S&P going up, or the NASDAQ going up, or the New York Stock Exchange going up over the next week or whatever it is, that's powerful information, and that's going to strengthen your conviction of the individual trades. So it's really pretty simple. What we're looking to do here is just really to trade with the overall trend of the market. Now, sometimes we're not going to do that. Sometimes we're going to be recommending counter trend trades to you too. Sometimes we won't even know what the market's going to do. Well, you really never know for sure what the market's going to do, but you have higher probabilities sometimes that you know of that you try to trade with. So that's what we're going to basically be sharing, that sort of information with you. So not every single video that we send to you will have individual trade recommendations. Sometimes we're just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for times where there is a higher edge in the market to be trading with. Or sometimes we'll have a pretty strong understanding of where the market could possibly be headed. Let's say if we have a strong probability of the S&P going up over the next 3 weeks. Okay, but let's say during the course of that time, we enter a phase of the market, something like this, where the market contracts, it begins to consolidate and trade in a tight range, and maybe at this time we also think the market is temporarily overextended to the upside. Well, at that time, we will either more than likely recommend counter trend trades to you, or we're just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for the market to pull back a bit, possibly into area that shows more value lower, and that would show a higher probability of success if you entered at those levels. Okay, so that's all information that we'll share with you, so you're going to always know that basically the reasoning behind what we're doing. Now, regarding the entries, what we're going to be using for our entries, sometimes we're going to enter right from the open of the market. If we maybe feel at that time that the market is really strong and we're not going to get a chance for it to pull back intraday, that might be the better option. But most of the time, the market does, let's say for instance, if we thought the market was going to go up, a lot of times it will pull back. So in these sort of situations, what we're going to be looking for is the market to be pulling back into higher value areas, or where whatever it is we're recommending, where it seems to be showing higher value areas. So we're going to be looking to enter around those areas. Okay, and what I mean by higher value is if I'm looking at the market swing profiles here, we're basically going to be looking for areas where there seems to be a lot of volume transacted at certain areas. Okay, so Now, I guess another question is who's this service for? And really, it's definitely powerful for people that have regular day jobs who don't have the time to follow or analyze the markets or individual stocks in depth. It'll definitely help these sort of people. Uh, and I think it can also help more experienced traders too, just at the absolute least, for to give them a secondary information to complement their own analysis. So the only way you're going to find out if it is beneficial to you is by signing up to the free trial, and you can try it out for 2 weeks for free. And if you have any questions at all, you can always email or call us, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.